Today we are going to talk about a WeMo switch. I already take out the boxes and set it up, and so this is the device itself, and so it's what it advertised, which is you can set the time and when use the cellular to remotely to control. I agree that work with Amazon Echo itself, but it doesn't work very good with the recipe that I created, or use the recipe that was already created. I tried multiple times to create myself and use the code that they generated in the system, and just pretty much set up a timer on purpose and to see if it works or not. I'm not be able to get this thing to work with it, is there doesn't have much of customability as the inside switch, which is, if you know what's inside switch, it's a little square thing that's generation higher than this one. So it does advertise what it does, but it did take a lot of time to boot, just like a computer. On the top part of here, it gets not overheat, but it's warm and warm to touch. So basically, if your hand's cold in the winter, you can put this on it in less than 5 seconds. This would be cool. Other thing is, you have to be aware where you pushing it, because they have very simple reset button on this end. So it just pretty much, this would be hard switch, it's on and off. That's all it do. And the reset button, I did try that too when I messed up. Pretty much hold this down and plugged in. And compare with the Insteon, which that's what I have. Insteon, I don't know, you ever heard about Insteon switch? It's exactly same, smaller than this, smaller footprint than this, and also 3 prompt. And do almost the same thing as this. You know, if it work, it will pretty much will be perfect, will be better than Insteon. So basically, this end does advertise work with if, but I cannot make it work. Maybe just because the recipe that I created is wrong, but I think if is pretty darn easy. That's what I'm going to say. And also the light is very confused. They did not have much direction about what's going on when the light turn orange or blue. You know, I assume the blue blinking light is cycling through when it boot up, but sometimes it have hard time to connect it. And the other thing that I dislike is you cannot remote set up this. So let's say if you got a new phone and you want to control this from somewhere else that was not your home network, let's not make any longer. If you like it, if you don't, be honest, just sound down. Give me a feedback. Tell me what can I do to make a better video, I guess so. I'll see you next time.